Hey guys, CP here. Yes, we're going back old style because guess what just came in the mail today? Look at this. It came in the mail. What can this be? Oh my gosh, no one knows. Like, let's just open this. Like you stupid freaking. Well, that took a while, but I got it open. Let's see what's inside. Gosh darn it. Please open, please, sir. Please open. If you don't open, I will be depressed forever. Alright, let's see what came in the mail. No, wait. Yes! It came in the mail! Guys, look at this. It's incredible. Look at this. It looks so ceramic. Oh my, what I asked for.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Yes, exactly what I asked for. 10 out of 10. Would buy again. Let's try to spin it. That sensation feels so sensational. It's amazing.